Horses see the world in a spectrum of colors, but their vision is different from ours. Think blues and yellows, but reds are a bit of a mystery to them. Did you know their coats are naturally waterproof? This helps keep them dry in the rain. When it comes to sleep, horses can snooze while standing, thanks to a unique locking mechanism in their legs. Their intelligence shines through in puzzle solving, and their sense of smell is incredibly powerful, allowing them to detect scents from miles away. Ever heard of the Flehmen response? It's when they curl their lips to better analyze smells. Plus, you can estimate a horse's age by examining their teeth, and they have an amazing ability to navigate using their memory of landmarks. These traits truly highlight the brilliance of these magnificent creatures. Did you know that horses see the world in slightly different colors? They can't really tell the difference between red and green, which means everything might look a bit pastel to them. Imagine a bright red apple. It probably looks more like a yellow one to a horse. But don't worry, that doesn't slow them down at all. Their incredible navigation skills help them thrive in their environment, even if their color palette is a little limited. So, while they might see the world differently, they still enjoy every tasty bite just the same.
Did you know that a horse's coat is practically waterproof? It's true. Their hair is specially designed to repel water, making it slide right off their bodies. So, when it rains, those droplets just glide down, keeping a horse almost dry. It's like they're wearing a natural raincoat. Next time you see a horse standing in the rain, remember, they're probably not as soaked as you are. Isn't nature fascinating?
Did you know that horses usually sleep standing up? It's true. They have a unique mechanism in their legs that locks in place, letting them take quick naps while on their feet. This is super handy for staying alert to predators. But when they really need deep sleep, they do lie down. Most of the time, though, a quick snooze while standing is all they require. And don't worry, these majestic animals won't lose their balance, even when they're dreaming. Isn't that fascinating? Did you know that horses actually sleep for very short periods? They only need about 2 to 3 hours of sleep in total. Instead of long nights of rest, they're busy grazing, running, and exploring their surroundings. It's like they're in a constant marathon. They take short but powerful naps to recharge, which seems to be their secret to staying energized all day long. Imagine living life at that pace. Always on the move, always curious. Horses have truly cracked the code on how to balance rest and activity.
Did you know horses aren't just fast runners? They're also incredible problem solvers. It's fascinating to think that these majestic animals can tackle simple puzzles and even figure out how to unlock gates. Imagine a horse using its intelligence like a four-legged detective, analyzing a challenge and working through it. Their brains are just as impressive as their strength. So next time you see a horse, remember, it's not just about speed, it's about smarts too. Did you know that horses have an incredibly powerful sense of smell? They don't just sniff out food, they can actually tell if it's fresh or not. It's fascinating to think of them as little smell chefs. When a horse gives something a good sniff before eating, it's like they're conducting a quality check. Their noses are nature's best quality control tools, ensuring they only munch on the freshest treats. So, next time you see a horse sniffing around, remember, they're not just being picky. They're using their amazing sense of smell to keep their meals top-notch.
Did you know that male horses put on quite the romantic show to impress females? They curl their lips and strike some pretty cool poses. This is part of a special behavior called the Flehmen response, which helps them catch scents better. It's like their own version of flirting. So, when you see a male horse curling its lips, it's not just for fun. It's all part of a love game in the horse world. It's fascinating how they express their interest and charm the ladies. Did you know that horses learn by watching each other? It's fascinating. These intelligent creatures can pick up new skills just by observing their herd mates. For instance, if one horse figures out how to open a gate, others will soon follow suit. They're like little students in the wild, keenly watching and quickly learning how to navigate their environment. Whether it's jumping over obstacles or finding food, horses are nature's clever observers, showcasing their remarkable ability to learn from one another. It's a testament to their social nature and intelligence.
Did you know you can actually tell a horse's age just by looking at its teeth? It's true. A horse's teeth wear down over time, revealing natural clues about how old they are. For instance, younger horses have smooth, shiny teeth, while older ones show more wear and tear. It's like having a biological calendar right in front of you. So, next time you see a horse, take a moment to check out that smile. You might just uncover its age without asking a single question.
Did you know that horses have an incredible sense of direction? They're like natural navigators, able to find their way home without a map. Even in unfamiliar places, they rely on their instincts and memory to guide them. It's fascinating how they can navigate through different terrains, using landmarks and their acute senses. Imagine being lost in the wilderness. While you might be searching for a signal, a horse would confidently lead you back home. In a world without GPS, these majestic creatures would be your best guide.